Hey folks, it's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures, and yes, oh yes, I'm on a bikepacking adventure, first one of 2023. So, it's Friday evening. I'm in my mid-40s, and instead of going to the club, go wild camping. Oh yeah. So tomorrow, what's going on tomorrow? 200 kilometers on the bike around Lincolnshire, actually taking part in an audax. It's my PBP, that's Paris-Brest-Paris. It's my qualifier for this summer. So I'm taking part in that. It's called the Bomber County. So the idea to get close to the start of that event, pitch up a tent, leave extra early in the morning, like 5 o'clock at least, and continue the rest of the journey to the start. Now I've kindly arranged with Richard Parker, who's the organiser of the audax. He's going to take my packing bags with me so I can take part in that event. So a big thumbs up to you, Richard, thank you. And then after the Bomber County, all the bikepacking bags are back on the bike. This time it's the Grantham Canal, a place I've not slept before, so that'll be interesting. So right now I'm heading down the Lincolnshire coast to Louth, and then going to hop over the Wolds, and if I'm really lucky I'll get the other side before it's completely pitch black. Well, good morning everyone. Everybody's just about left. Everybody who was late is just leaving. So I'll fill you in on last night when I get going. Well, I'll start by saying what a beautiful morning. So I left the camp spot 4 AM. Well, woke up 4 AM with my alarm, left there at 4:45, and I thought, oh, this is great. I'm getting nice and early. Went the wrong way. Had an extra maybe 10k to the journey. Got there like 10 to. But yeah, an interesting camp last night. It was so windy, so windy. This morning I just didn't bother making any breakfast or anything. No coffee, no posters, none of that. But sleep-wise, it wasn't too bad actually. I kept nice and warm. The back was getting a little bit cold at first. I was wondering what was going on. So some of you might notice I'm no longer on the gravel bike like I said I was going to be this week. I'm on the Sunday Clippy titanium road bike with the small chain rings, absolute black. Don't need on to today's ride though. The hill is to get is going to be the Red Hill, right in the centre of the Lincolnshire Wolds.
This was about 1985.
This is Boardman, yeah?
That says to him, I says, you'll win our record.
Yeah.
He did.
He did.
All them years later.
Yeah.
That's pretty damn good.
He looks young, I don't know how old Chris Boardman is, but he works for Active Travel England at the moment, doesn't he?
Yeah, millionaire.
Yeah. And it's still wet up here. Apparently it wasn't going to rain today, according to Richard Parker. Guess what? It has been raining. So Nick I was speaking to there, I've seen him plenty of times over the years. He's with VC167. Hello Nick, one of my biggest viewers on YouTube. He doesn't miss a video about the fail he admits. So big thumbs up to you Nick. Really reminds me why I do enjoy doing YouTube. So just heading down into Gulfsby at the moment. Yeah, featured climb of this audax is going up towards Red Hill Nature Reserve. But coming up to this hairpin right now, never gets any easier. I've been wet several times already this morning. And the sky behind doesn't look particularly clear either. But we shall see, said the blind man. Oh yeah, before I put the camera away for a little while, there's so many information controls on this audax, it's unreal. He did pre-warn us though, he's been told he has to. With it being a PBP qualifier year, it's fine by me. I think it adds to the character of audax. Some people might think it's a bit old-fashioned, but I like it. I think it's good. It's more than just riding around, you know, following the GPS all the time and getting receipts. Just mix it up a little bit, so gets a thumbs up from me. Who lives in a house like this? So next question, info 110 in Chapel St Leonard at the crossroads besides the public toilets. How far is it to the bus station? So what I'm doing at the moment, because I've not got pen or pencil, I've got my app open on my phone and just jotting the answers into there. Just grab the cheapest sandwich I could possibly find. Tuna, plain tuna, 150. And I just saw something curious. I thought I'd share with you. I mean, I don't get what it means. Okay, look. Sandwiches, food waste, blah de blah. Not for human consumption. What's that actually mean? Someone going to try and eat the bin? Bikepacking Adventures, sponsored by Soaring. So comments down below, have you been getting into this audax thing? Perhaps you've been riding for a long time and it's nothing here is new to you. But every ride is a bit different to the last. Sometimes you can take for granted. I know I did, I was thinking, oh, 200, easy peasy, but anything can happen in 125 miles, either to yourself or the bike or just the weather, you know. That's where we're heading, down into Hullcastle. Oh dear. It's been a day of sunshine and showers. Richard Parker, you jinxed this audax. The thing is, whenever it starts raining, the temperature plummets. At least it's not hammering it down. Can we just dance? Can we just dance and forget about it? Tired of the race. Can we just dance and forget about it? Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I just need to stop and have some fresh vibes in my head. I think I'm just going to throw this on top of the arm warmers. I'm sick of taking the arm warmers off first. Well, that's the audax over. 241 kilometres so far today. Coming to 10.6. So it'll be again, I'll be arriving in the dark. Look at that. Sort of sums up today really. Sunshine and rainbows. So right now I'm heading south again. Not really sure which way the wind's going. I think it's a tailwind. It's not really helping that much. So heading towards Beckenham, then jumping over the A1 at Foston. There's a garage there. Hopefully they've got enough supplies. I must admit, a little bit worried about tonight's wild camping spot. I'm sure I'm worrying unnecessarily. It's just I've never been to it before. There's always that feeling you're going to get there and it's going to be rubbish. I'm sure I'll be fine. Just somewhere new, and I need to get out of the comfort zone and stop staying at the Woodhouse one all the time. As nice as that is, it's a whole world out there. I'm going to leave this one here. Seems a great way to finish the video. The sunset. Questions down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.